Arwakini machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jakom duol mochung'ne yiero pacho ka Erastus Ethekon osingo ni yierogo ibiro tim e yo ma obidhore. Kanolose lok tich mar duolno e kar chung' od bura ma Kasipul e gweng' ma Kosele, Ethekon nojiwo apisa duto mabiro tayo yierono mondo oket bidhruok e ong'ala mamalo, ka bende okwedo weche mawachore ni nyalo ti kod IEBC e rocho ratich jogo ombulu. Mae kaka noloso.
My main interest is for the people of Kasipul to turn around that narrative that has been so far associated with Kasipul as an area that is volatile, that is prone to violence, as we witnessed when we started the campaign. We did take action as the new commission because we have zero tolerance on any election malpractice, including violence, because our constitution decrees that elections must be free from harassment, violence, intimidation, and of course malpractices such as bribery. And so when we received reports from Kasipul that there have been instances of chaos and violence, we did constitute the Election Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee, and that committee summoned all the concerned candidates to appear before that committee, and that committee completed that process successfully. As you are aware, the commission did fine those candidates 1 million each, which they did pay, failure to which that could have led to their disqualification. So I'm glad the two candidates cooperated. They paid their fine on time. They also signed a political decency and peace and peaceful elections charter. And we believe, as of now, they are still abiding by that pledge, and of course by the code of conduct. So we believe that learning from that, the remaining few hours will be very important for us to continue maintaining that peace and to allow us to complete the final preparations, so that then tomorrow we have the first voters arrive at the polling stations when we open as early as possible, the usual time. Doesn't matter what time is left, as long as there are malpractices that will come to our attention in the way of a formal complaint or petition, we will deal with them.